In this video we're looking at the best automated Forex trading robots. Now I currently have two that I use. I use this one that you can see on the screen. It's called the Gold Bot. I'll show you this in a second. I also have another one which I've been using for coming up to 2 years, and then we're also looking at trialing this one over here and also this one, and we'll come back to these in a little while. But if we come over here, this is the first one I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, there's a link to this down below. It takes you over to a blog article, this one here, and this is called the Gold Bot. Now, this one over here, let me just scroll down here and share this with you so you can see how this works. So basically, I went ahead and I bought this in the end of December. I think, well, about 22nd, 23rd, something like that. You can see down here, here we go, the 20th of December 21. You can see I sent over a total of $5,000, but you know, it was with Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin dipped, so the account started with $4,937, and that was on the 21st. Yeah, it was completed on the 21st of December. So what I did was I set this up, I let it run, and once I was happy with this, we then set this to start trading, as you can see here, on the 3rd of January. Now, with this bot here, it only trades the gold market, as you can see here, and it's recommended to run this a Monday to a Wednesday, because on Thursday, Friday, the volatility, you know, it seems to get a bit more. So we run this Monday to Wednesday. I did leave it on by accident on Monday, so it's got the results in there. But you can see on here, these are my results using this gold bot. So on the 3rd of January, we earned $349, which is a hell of a day, you know, the first proper full day trading this. If we scroll down, we're then into the 4th of January, 234. So that wasn't as good, you know, it wasn't as good as the first day, but you know, considering it's automated hands off, pretty happy with that. Come down here, we're on to the 5th, and this was 412, so we had a bit of a jump there. Then we're on to the 10th, so you can see we've got a big gap here from the 5th to the 10th, because obviously it's not trading Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that was the 10th. We've then got the 11th, the 12th, the 13th. This was the day when I should have turned it off, but I didn't. It was a mistake, by the way. And then we're into the 17th of January, which was yesterday, because you can see here today's date is the 18th. Okay, so it's, you know, it's been pretty successful so far. We can see we've earned the grand total of $2,134 from a starting point of 5,000, and the drawdown on this account, the highest it's got to has been 14.6%. So you know, in the grand scheme of things, it's not that bad. And you can go ahead and have a look at this. I put on, you know, the different points to know how to get started with this and other bits. But overall, it's a pretty, well, so far from 2 and a bit weeks of actually, you know, having this up and running, it's a solid bot. I'm really happy with it. I like the fact it's just, you know, one market, Monday to Wednesday, and then I don't need to worry about it as well. So if you want to check out this article, there will be a link to this below. Go over to my blog and have a full read of this. And I basically walk you through, you know, everything basically from start to finish. I also share with you the recommended broker account with this. So you can see on here, I'll link over to the correct pages for you. And then it also comes with a Telegram group. So let me quickly show you that now inside of the Telegram group. Where's it gone? Is it that one? No. Where's it gone? I thought I had a tab open for it. Let me just see if I've got it open on this one. Oh, here we go. It's over here. So you can see this is inside of the Telegram group. So at this moment in time, there's only 12 members inside of here. But if I come down here, look, mine hit profit $424. Scroll further on the page. Here's somebody day one. How much did they earn? They earned $2,000 on their first day. There's my, you know, my comment on there. So yeah, it's pretty good. And we can see down here, 10 man off after the Asian session. I'm cool with this. And this person here, and what's that? $983. So that's pretty good going. So that is the first bot we're looking at today. The second one I'm going to share with you is this one over here. Now, this is going back quite a while, this review article here. If I scroll down here, this is going back to when was this? In fact, I'll scroll down. It'll be on the images, won't it? If I scroll further on the page here, yeah, so this is going back to the 16th of June 2020, and I'm still using this today. So this was the original article, and again, I share with you every single day in here how much we earned at the end of this. And if I scroll further on the page here, we have a summary on here, which was, let's come further on the page. So this bot over here, it earned $579, which was an average of $28.95. This account over here, by the way, sorry, let me just take this up so you can see this. This started out with $1,000 on this one. So come down here, you can see, yeah, deposit, it was $1,000. So day one, $11, which wasn't bad. And again, I'm not going to go through all these, but you can go through and have a read of all of this in this article. I'll link to this down below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. Now, in terms of this one over here, this bot, I also did, because obviously I've had this up and running for a while, I did, as you can see on here, look, update. I have now done a follow-up article, which you can see below. So if you click on there, it then takes you up to the update article, which, again, from memory, I think I did it about 4 months after I originally started with this. Let's scroll down and have a look. Oh, 5 weeks. So, yeah, just over 5 weeks. I had my first negative day, but still up on the week. So again, sharing, the positives and the negatives of this here. If I scroll further on, and again, look, I try to include as much, as much as possible with any of these case studies that we're doing and we're sharing. So that was the update on that bot there. So again, I'll drop a link to this down below for you. You can go ahead. I won't drop a link to this updated article. I'll drop a link to the original article for you, which was this one here. And you can go ahead and have a look at this and, see the progression of this and how it's going. But, I get asked quite a lot of the time, am I still using this automated Forex bot? Yes, absolutely. Out of these two, which one do I recommend the most? Well, personally, I would say this one. This new gold bot. I like this one because, as I've mentioned, it's only trading the gold USD pairing. It's Monday to Wednesday, so we've only got a few days of running this, and it trades on the it trades on the 1 minute time frame. So it's in and out of trades very quickly, and the earnings with it are pretty good. And you can also use this for if we're doing any challenges, or over on like My Forex Funds and other platforms. You can actually run this with those different challenges. So that is 2 of the different bots that I am using. And then also, like most things, I like to have a look at what's on the marketplace. And I found this one over here. So this was over on this article over here, which was, look, the best Forex robots in 2022. Yeah, this one here. And I came down here and I was having a read of some of these, and I did a bit of digging and looking around into them. And the one we're going to look at next is not that one. This one here. I quite like the look of this one. The 1000 Pip Climber System. You can see on here, it offers an It offers an impressive combination of extremely advanced trading algorithm in a very easy to use package. The performance has been independently verified by MyFXBook. This provides an added layer of confidence in the quality of the algorithm. And yeah, I quite like the look of this. And it says they've got a flash sale on, so you can see, yeah, there's currently a flash sale on here. You can currently get this for $97. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this. I've not actually jumped into this yet myself. I'm going to finish the testing off of this gold bot here. So probably be another 2 weeks on this one. And once we're happy with this, like always, I'm going to withdraw my initial investment, which was the $5,000, and then this will become passive. And I say this to everybody, whether we're looking at crypto trading, passive income opportunities in like crypto cars or planes or any of the things we're talking about. And it's the same with this software over here. First of all, we only invest what we can afford to lose. Second, always take away your profit or your initial investment, so it does become, it becomes risk-free for you. Always do that. So yeah, so once this one's over here is finished, this is the one we're going to be jumping into and having a look at this. We've got lots of things on here, so how it works. If I scroll down here, we've got lots of screenshots on here. But yeah, it looks pretty good, this one. You can see it's easy to follow anywhere. And also what I noticed when I was doing a bit of research for this, I mean, you can see on here, it's a simple setup plus beginners Forex trading PDF. But why I quite like the look of this, there's contact on here, so you can contact them. They've got member testimonials, although, they're not real testimonials on here. But this is stress-free signal. So this, is something else to look at or to add to the passive income portfolio, whereby you get these on here. We can see, look, automated detection with entry, stop loss, and take profit. Easy to set up. So video guide, for instance. I mean, all of these, trading bots, they're all pretty much straightforward. The same process. It is, you connect the software to a broker, you then run that via a VPS, and then it just, it's off and running. So this is the next one we're going to, have a look at and go through. Another one which somebody mentioned to me, which we're going to check out possibly after this one over here, is this one. And it's called Binary Option Trading Signals. So this looks a bit different. This looks more like a community style project over here. So we can see, look, interesting member driven strategies based on custom indicators. So this is indicators, and yeah, this looks okay, and it's been around for 6 years. They've got this video on here. I mean, this goes back to 2016. This is like a live trading room, so you can see, how they're doing the trades and other bits. But yeah, this one will be, further down the line. This is going to be the next one we're looking at. But for the time being, this is the first one that we've used. This was like my first dipping my toe into the automated Forex market. This one over here, this gold bot, is the one that we're using at this moment in time. Now, the other thing, what I found over on this website over here, this, what is this website called? This is Wikijob. If I scroll down here, we've got this one, as I mentioned, this 1000 Pip Climber System. This is the one we're going to be looking at. There was another one which looked pretty good. I think it was this one. Let's have a look at this one really quickly. Yeah, so this again, this is a signal. So you can see on here, look, Pattern Pro, all-inclusive solution that sends alerts through Telegram, so you can trade. Basically, you get a signal, you put the trade on, and you can go ahead and do this. So let's just go and have a look at this and see how much this one is. Excuse me. Oh, last few copies. It looks like it's gone, but we all know it won't have gone with it. So let's just scroll down and see what's included with this. There's not a lot. What is this? So Forex trading is now. Let's click on grab your copy. Let's see how much this is going to cost. This is only $69, so this is potentially something we may have a look at, later down the road. But although, this, it could be good, it's still a signal, which basically means I've got to, be on Telegram. I've got to get the trade signals. I've then got to get my phone and go ahead and place those, place those trades and make sure they're in the correct currency and other bits. Whereas these automated bots, personally, I just like them a lot more because, it's in the word, isn't it? It's automated. So I set this up and it just runs on complete autopilot. And look, if you have tried and tested, any of these expert advisors, please drop a comment down below and let me know, the name of the one that you're using, how long you've been doing it for, how much money it's making you, and other bits. But as I've mentioned throughout this video, any form of, trading, especially in the Forex market, it definitely is not risk-free. Whilst, these earnings on the screen, these are absolutely brilliant. But I can tell you now, as soon as I hit the initial deposit, what I put in here, I will definitely be withdrawing this money, and then that money then will be taken and put into something else. And then this gold bot over here, this will be running 100% risk-free, very similar to this Asia Trader software that we've got over here, because I took out my initial $1,000 in this software, and since then it's all been profit. The same here, and then we'll go ahead and trial, not this one over here, this 1000 Pip Climber System. We'll give that a go. We'll do a review. We'll share the review over here on the blog so you can see, the journey and how well it's doing. So look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But I'll see you tomorrow.